everybody, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. This video isn't really electrical, except that with the money from the electrical trade, I bought this car. So if you're not really into this kind of stuff, then you can just exit the video. But anyways, this is my new car. Told you guys I was gonna get like a year or so ago. The time finally came. I was waiting on a wait list, but that never really worked out. So this one popped up at a dealership, so I went ahead and grabbed it. It was almost everything I wanted. And I'll show you some of the features here. So first of all, you got, this is my key right here. Put a little cover on it from Amazon, carbon fiber, so that's cool. But anyways, it's got the front trunk, and it's also got the rear trunk. Okay, that did pop. So anyways, still waiting for my license plates, but anyways, you have your trunk in here. So I got my lunchbox in here, some extra New Balance, you know, gotta rep the Corvette outfit, but got some extra clothes in there just in case, some water. Anyways, so that's the front trunk, and some of the features are the black lug nuts, the black wheels, the black locking star lug nut. There's not really that many features. There's like 5 features. It's pretty basic, just the one LT. I got my work boots in there, camera, which I use as a dash cam. I'll still have to order one of those, maybe a radar detector, you know, but just the basic leather stuff. Ooh, it does have the blue seat belts, which I love. Those are magnificent. Back here, you do have the spoiler, which I didn't really want, but I kind of grown to like it. Can't really notice it that much, but it's pretty good. And other than that, I think that's mostly all of the features. Engines in the back, obviously. Got the roof right there. Just took it off, drove it home from work. So there is the roof. If you guys are interested in the financial, how much this costs, I'll probably throw that on my other channel, Daily Finances, which is really not daily videos anymore. It's like once a month videos. But anyways, that's the back right there. There is holes right there, so when it rains, it's not really fun, and the glass does not go down all the way, so that's interesting. Yeah, everything else pretty basic. No extra dual exhaust, so that's sad. But yeah, really happy with the car. Everything's going great so far. Just hit 1,250 miles in the last 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks almost. So yeah, that is that. So yeah, if you are looking for a good paying job, electricians are one of them. And if you know how to handle your money well, these are some of the things that you can get. So yeah, so if, like I said, if you want to find out more of the financial of this, head on over to my other channel, Daily Finances. It's in the whatever community tab or whatever. It's one of the top ones. I pinned it also in the link tree down below in the link. So yeah, that's my new car, and if you guys didn't know, I posted this on Instagram or whatever. So yeah, if you want more updates and stuff, follow along on my Instagram pages for more behind the scenes, but I just thought I'd announce it here if you lived under a rock. Anyways, I'm pretty happy with it. Everything is going great, and yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe, God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.